Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you unboxing and demo of Hawkins Steel Pressure Cooker. So this 5-liter pressure cooker has MRP of rupees 3675, but you get this one from Amazon at rupees 3180. Cooker come in this kind of packaging, and the first thing we have is warranty card, and we get 5 years manufacturer warranty, so keep this safely. Now we have this cookbook. They have given 32 recipes in English as well as in Hindi. Here we have the cooker lid, vent was packed separately, and finally the cooker. It is made up of 304 food grade 18x8 stainless steel. The dimension of the cooker are 20.9 by 41.6 by 23.1 centimeter. At the bottom, all the details are embraced. See, this has got complete flat base, and this is induction compatible also. Weight of the cooker is 2 kg 270 gram. This cooker is also available in the round shape, that is Conchura model. I prefer this tall one as it provides depth, which in turn is easy to handle. And it has 6.6 mm thick bottom which heats evenly. Okay, one important point here is you will feel that the lid is moving, it's not fit properly, or it's a manufacturing defect. Actually, it is designed in that way. If you notice, it is mentioned on the lid handle allow movement for proper sealing. Once you lock the lid, then it won't move. So this is the new feature in the recent models. Earlier the lid was completely tight, it won't move. And I have used this cooker for 2 months before coming to this review video, and I have tried making dal, rajma, boiled arbi, potatoes, cooked biryani, dalia and many more dishes. It doesn't take much time for the first whistle, hardly within 5 minutes of first whistle, and thereafter it is quite fast. So you are going to save your cooking time here. The pressure release through vent works flawlessly, and so far there is no water or dal release which normally happens. This cooker is a good fit for a family of 5. It is available in different sizes starting from 1.5 liters. A downside which I noticed here is you see the edges. These edges are not very smooth. You won't feel it in the first go, but when you clean you will notice that these are not very smooth. These are little sharp. And with this cooker you can use any spatula, scrubber. There is no hassle of coating removal. This will be always new and shiny. Hawkins as a brand has proved it. I bought this one after a long research, and believe me, you are looking at the right product. You can definitely go for it, and subscribe for more such videos. Give it a try. Bye bye.